Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Frenzy, and we're back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to do a very simple yet deceptive simple false table cut. So it looks something like this. As you can see, after I've cut, the deck is still in new deck order. Let me do it again. After that, the deck is still in new deck order. Okay, so now I'm going to be teaching you how to do this cut. Firstly, hold the deck in hand grip. If you're left-handed, you can use your left hand to do everything in this tutorial reversed. But yeah, I'm just going to do it with my right hand in this tutorial. So hold the deck in hand grip, which looks something like this. Your middle finger ring and pinky goes on the top side of the deck, your thumb at the bottom side, and your index finger gently pressing onto the top of the deck. Okay, so afterwards, you're going to swivel cut about 1/3 of the deck and place it into your left hand. And then you're going to swivel cut another 1/3 of the deck, which is now basically half of the remaining deck, to your left hand. Now you're going to find out that your hand grip has rest on the remaining part of the original deck, which should be the bottom part of the original deck. And then you just simply take that packet out, place it onto the table, and then you're going to place the top packet of your left hand on top on the table, and then the remaining packet. So as you can see, the false cut is executed and the deck order is not disturbed. I'm going to do it once more. So firstly, you hold the deck in hand grip, then you can swivel 1/3 of the deck to your left hand, and then do the same again. And then you would find that you're holding what looks like the middle packet of the deck, which was once the bottom part of the original deck. You're going to place it down onto the table. Remember to place a break in between these two piles of cards. This is for easy execution of the move to just basically place this top packet of the left hand onto the table. So having a break here just makes it easier. And then just finish the cut. Once again, it looks like this. And full speed. Remember to keep a break. And yes, that would be the end of this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and perhaps you can use this very simple yet deceptive false cut into your routines and your magic tricks, as it would be able to deceive your audience to thinking that the deck order is changed when, wow, it is actually not. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe to Tutorial Frenzy, and goodbye.